Stay away.
Yeah. And if you watch your video, which you can watch on how to breed rams, you've got the small little stone, you've got the saucers you use,
Right.
you've got the Java moss so that the fry can raise.
So, here are the new budgies that I picked up yesterday. I didn't take a video of them yesterday because I just wanted to let them settle in. I mean, they're still a bit freaked out now. I mean, they don't really like me doing this, so I'm not going to do it for too long. But yep, picked them up from Real yesterday. And they're little cuties. The one on the left, I think, is a female, definitely a female. And then the pale one, he's got red eyes, but I don't think you can really see them here, but he has got red eyes. Alright, it's okay. Hello. He's a male, I think, but it's difficult to tell. They sort of pecked each other then, but they're actually quite sweet together. So yeah, see how they get on. The others have been nosing. Everyone's a little bit on edge at the moment, so yep. You're doing alright, aren't you? You're birdies. And I just thought I'd show you my other budgies. They're sort of in at the moment, but this one is Cheeky, and this one is Keith, and then this one, who is Mrs. Sandra Biscuits, the blue one. They're not really in focus at the moment because they're in the cage. Ignore the wall in the background because this room hasn't been decorated since we moved in, but it's the budgie room. And yeah, Mrs. Sandra Biscuits, the black one, she really doesn't like me, and a lot of the time she kind of makes me laugh because it looks like she's always frowning at me. But she's okay. She just gets a bit scared, and the other two just sort of do their own thing, yeah. But that's their cage, and they're opposite to the new ones. They came in that cage. I'm going to sort it out when they're a bit settled. I'm not sort of keen on these mirrored things. But yeah, you've got a nice sea view, haven't you? And that's the, we made a budgie tree out of a piece of cardboard and sticks, but they really like it. Yeah, and they've got like ropes going up on the sea. God, this room looks terrible, but it doesn't look as bad in real life. So yeah, the budgies. Hello, budgies. They just always look at me like, nasty lady. But I love you, don't you? Even if you don't love me. Maybe I'm too desperate to love them. They just think I'm needy. Who knows? What do you reckon, cheeks? Good sleepies. Oh well. I just thought I'd give a little update. The budgies have now been here since Monday. It's now Thursday, and this is the bravest they've been so far. They've just got on the rope, which is just a little bit away from their cage. The other Budgies are on the tree. It's Keith and Mrs. Biscuits. Still haven't got any names, so if you're watching this and you've got any name suggestions, just put it in the comments below. But yeah, they're doing okay. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the quarry here, and that's all cloud, and I just think it looks really cool. It reminds me of like a volcano. There you go, there's my garden. Looking a bit messy, but ooh, cloudy. Well, the Budgies have been here a week now, and as you can see, they're hanging out with all the others, chewing on the wall. And we have got names now. The one with red eyes, this one, is called Luigi, and this one's Valerie. So, yeah, it's a bit dark now. Valerie and Luigi. You're doing okay, aren't you? Oh yeah. As you can hear, Keith is really singing. Got some music on, so he loves it. Go on, Keith. And Cheeky on the rope. Here, cheeks. And Mrs. Sandra Biscuits. You right, girls? Yep. You haven't eaten your cauliflower, have you? Gotta eat your greens. Sorry, I just had to show you Luigi again, because has he not got the cutest little face ever? Look at his little face. He's so cute. Look at his little eyes. He's so cute. Oh, Luigi, you break my heart.